What if XRP could follow Bitcoin's path and become the next dominant crypto? That's the bold question some investors are now asking, and here's why it has serious momentum. According to a recent feature from Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin may be hitting record highs, but many are looking for the next Bitcoin opportunity, and XRP is a candidate that's gaining attention. Source: Yahoo Finance. Why XRP draws Bitcoin comparisons. 1. Institutional exposure and ETF potential. A proposed spot XRP ETF, if approved, could bring massive capital inflows, similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum experienced last year. Analysts expect it would attract institutional wallets, reduce exchange supply, and ignite a rally. Source: The Motley Fool. 2. Clearer regulation and U.S. strategy. XRP's legal position continues to solidify. The SEC battle has largely resolved in Ripple's favor, and XRP has gained support among pro-crypto political figures, including recognition in a proposed U.S. crypto strategic reserve alongside Bitcoin. A shift to Trump-appointed SEC leadership may also bring further regulatory clarity. Source: Wikipedia. 3. Real-world utility and corrections backbone. Unlike Bitcoin's store of value focus, XRP is embedded in Ripple's payment infrastructure. Through RippleNet and upcoming projects like the LUSD stablecoin, XRP powers real-time cross-border transactions, positioning it more as a utility token than just a speculative asset. Source: Wikipedia. What analysts say and outlook scenarios. A recent forecast from finance magnates predicts a 200% move toward $9 by September 2025, citing chart patterns and trader sentiment. Sources: The Economic Times, The Motley Fool. Other analysts envision XRP reaching between $5 and $7 by mid-2025, especially if ETF momentum builds. Source: Google. So it's not just speculation. There's a growing case that XRP's price pattern may mimic earlier Bitcoin-style bull cycles, but adapted to its own tech ecosystem. Differences and risks that set XRP apart from Bitcoin. No capped supply. XRP has 100 billion tokens, compared to Bitcoin's 21 million. That affects scarcity-driven pricing. Centralization questions. Ripple Labs holds a large portion of XRP, and escrow releases are managed over time. Sources: Investopedia, Wikipedia. Utility over speculation. XRP is built for corporate payments, not as a store of value. This is both a strength and a limitation when it comes to mass retail investment, unless infrastructure scales accordingly. Still, XRP's integration with banking systems, CBDC initiatives, and evolving regulations make it a serious contender among altcoins. Summary: XRP as next Bitcoin. Could XRP really replace Bitcoin? Probably not. Both serve different purposes. But if you're asking which altcoin has the infrastructure, legal clarity, and technical upside to play a similar long-term role, XRP is a standout contender. Key drivers to watch: Spot XRP ETF developments, U.S. legal and regulatory direction, Ripple's enterprise partnerships, and stablecoin rollout. We'll keep tracking XRP's journey, and you can count on us to bring the updates. That's all for today from Cryptozard News Today.